Now, section formula. This is one of the concept in coordinate geometry. Here, section formula. A line segment joined by A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2. The point P, which divide the line segment in the ratio m is to n. P is a point which divide the line segment in the ratio m is to n. Then find the coordinates of P. So that P, x comma y, is equal to, this is the formula, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. This is points of coordinates, the point P coordinates. This is the formula that is called section formula. Section formula. Okay, if it is in midpoint, P is if it is midpoint, m is to n, m value, these two equal parts, means 1 is to 1, 2 is to 2, 3 is to 3. So, midpoint means here m value can take 1, 1x2 plus 1x1 by 1 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 1 plus 1. So that is x1 plus x2 by 1 plus 1, 2. Next, y1 plus y2 by 1 plus 1 value is 2. This is called midpoint. Midpoint formula from section formula. From section formula, this is midpoint. So we need these formulas to do exercise 7.2. In this question, first question, find the coordinates of a point which divide the line segment joined by the points minus 1 comma 7, 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. Okay, so the points here minus 1 comma 7, that is equal to x1 by 1. 4 comma minus 3, we can take that is x2 comma y2. And m is to n, they are given 2 is to 3. Now find the coordinates of P. Px comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. With the help of this formula, we will do the sum. Now that is m is 2, mx2 plus nx1, n value is 3 into x1 is minus 1. By 2 plus 3, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Next, m by 2 plus n by 1. N means here m value is taken 2, n value is taken 3. M by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. So here it is 2 4s are 8, plus into minus minus 3, 2 plus 3 value 5. Here 2 3s are 6, minus 6, 3 7s are 21 by 5. That continuation, 8 minus 3, 5 by 5. 21 minus 6, 15 by 5. 5 ones are, 5 threes are, 1 comma 3. This is Px comma y. Required coordinates. Required coordinates. Sometimes in the formula they will take m1, m2. m1, m2, m1 plus m2. m1, m2, m1 plus m2. So this formula m is to n place, we are taking m1, m2. We will explain through that method also. Points of trisection. Find the points of trisection of line segment AB. So points of trisection means the line segment AB. For suppose AB is the line segment. If you write here one point, now it divides into two parts. If you can take more one point, that divide into three equal parts. Points of trisection means the points which divide the line segment into three equal parts. AP, PQ, QB. Three equal parts. And three equal parts. So P divides in the ratio 1:2. Q divides in the ratio 2:1. Here one part, two parts. P. Q before two parts, here one part. So 1:2, 2:1. That is points of trisection. Now let P comma Q. Let P comma Q be the points of trisection. So that is AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. These three parts are equal. So now P divides AB in the internally in the ratio. Internally in the ratio 1:2. 1:2. P divides. So now find Px comma y. We have formula m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2. Next m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. This is section formula. By using section formula, we will do the sum. Here m1, m2, 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 1, 2, 1 plus 2. Now x1, m1, x2, x2, x1, y2, y1. Here x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2, x1, m1, x2 plus m2, x1, y2, y1. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now continuation, -2 plus 2 4s are 8 by 3, -3 -2, 1 plus 2 value 3. This is 8 minus 2, 6 by 3, minus 5 by 3. So okay, now it is cancelled by 2, 3 2s are minus 5 by 3. This is P. Px comma y, we got it. Similarly, we will do Q also. We can find Q also because here P and Q both we need. Those are points of trisection. Now A, x4, x1, y1, x2, y2. Q we need to find. Q divides AB internally in the ratio 2:1. So m1 is to m2 is 2:1. We need to find here 2 into x2, 1 into x1 by 2 plus 1. 2 into y2 plus 1 into y1 by 2 plus 1. Here x2 value is -2, x1 value is 4, y2 value is -3, y1 value is -1. Now 2 2s are 4, -4 plus 4 by 3. 2 3s are 6, -6 -1 by 3. That is 0 by 3 -7 by 3. That is 0 comma -7 by 3. 0 comma -7 by 3. This is Q. Qx comma y. So finally P and Q. P what we got? Q. Both of them zeros of code. That points of trisection. That is points of trisection of the line segment. Okay, P before we got 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and Q we got 0 comma minus 7 by 3 are the points of trisection. Points of trisection of AB. Points of trisection of line segment AB, PQ we got it. Okay.